Hi everyone, so today we will be solving Leetcode problem number 141, linked list cycle. So the problem statement is like this. We are given the head of a linked list and we have to determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. So they have given the description. So there is a cycle in the linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. So in this example we can see if we continuously follow the next pointer, this -4 nodes next pointer points to 2. Then it has mentioned that internally pos is used to denote the index of the node that the tail's next pointer is connected to, and pos is not passed as a parameter. So as we can see here, so pos is basically the index where we are finding a cycle. So let's try to understand this problem. So one approach to solve this problem is by using slow and fast pointers. So slow will move one node at a time while fast will move two nodes at a time. So by the time our slow will be equals to fast, we will know that our linked list has a cycle. So let's see this how it will work. So slow and fast. Now initially both of them will start at the same place. So now it will be 3. Our fast will also be 3. Now our slow will move one node at a time, while our fast will move two nodes at a time. Our slow will again move one node at a time. Our fast will move two nodes at a time. So our slow will move one, fast will again move two nodes. So now we can see our slow will be equals to fast. So now we know that our linked list has a cycle. Now as we are looping through this node once, like as we are looping through the linked list once, our time complexity will be O of n. So we will create two pointers, that is slow and fast, and we will assign them to head, and then we will check while fast exists, and of course fast dot next exists. That means there is no none value. Then what we will do is we will increase our slow pointer by 1 and we will increase our fast pointer by 2. Yeah, then we will check if our slow is equals to fast. We will return true, and if it does not, then we will break out of these loops and return false. So let's run this and see if we have any errors. Oh, I'm sorry, our indentation is not correct. Yeah, let's run this again. Oof, sorry. Yeah, so it got accepted. Now let's submit it and see. Yeah, so we can see that it is submitted and all the test cases have passed. So another approach to do this will be by using a set. So a set consists of unique elements. What we will do is we will iterate through the linked list and we will be inserting those in the set, and then we will check if our like the element that we are iterating through is already present in the set. If it is already present in the set, then we will be returning a true. So for example, our current will first be 3, so we will be inserting into our set. Then it will be 2, we will be inserting that into our set. Then it will be 0, we will be inserting that. It will be -4, we will be inserting that. Now we will check. Now the next element in our current will be 2. Now we will check if 2 is present in our set. If 2 is present in our set already, then we will just return true, because now we know that if it is repeating already, then our linked list has a cycle. And we will iterate. Now suppose if we don't have a cycle in our linked list, so we will be iterating through the end of the linked list, and if we don't get a cycle, we will just come out of that loop and we will return a false. We will be understanding it better when I'll be showing you how to code it in Leetcode. So let's go and code it there. So for the set approach, first we will be creating a set. Then we will be creating a current pointer from head. Then we will iterate through our current pointer. We will check if our current is in set. If it is in set, then we will return true, because of course we have a cycle now, because the element is getting repeated, it is already in set. And if it is not, then what we do is we will add the current in our set. Also, we will go to next element by iterating. We will use the next pointer. Then after this, we will like while the loop ends, if we don't have a linked list cycle, we will come out of the loop and we will return false. So let's go ahead and check this code. Yeah, so we have got the three test cases accepted. Yeah, so we have got this accepted. Yeah, so we have tried both the approaches and we see that both of them have gotten accepted. So yeah, that will be it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.